2002 Honda VT1100C Spirit. Bought it pretty much stock. Still has the factory pipes on it, factory saddlebags. Made some minor changes to it. Put the emblem on there, decal. Um, Tuned the carburetor and went ahead and did the hole saw mod on the exhaust. Um, did a lot of checking around and research. I actually bought the bike with some Cobra pipes that came with it and opted for something not quite as loud but still wanted the sound. So let's crank it up. Let's see how it sounds. Did the whole saw mod and very happy with it.